Hey there, guys. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Post-it notes. Yes. Now, anybody who's never used these, I can't imagine where you live. Yeah, I think pretty much everybody knows about Post-its. Yeah. These are very good. I use them to death. I am the type of person that needs to constantly be organized and reminded of things and all of that. I just need that. Otherwise, I will forget and everything will be in chaos. I actually don't know how I got along without these in the past. I put them on everything. Anytime I want to make a correction or remind myself of something, I'll write it on here and rip this off and put it on the refrigerator, or I'll put it on anything, one of my computers or in my notebook or whatever. I'll tack it somewhere where I know I'm going to see it, and it will be a reminder. Also, any kind of paper corrections I need to make, like if I'm filling out several forms or something, on each page where something needs to be changed or something, or I'm going to leave a note for someone to fix something, I'll write it on the page and then put it on each page, the instruction on what needs to be done. Okay, just for those people who have not used Post-its before, basically what you do is, it's basically paper, little sheets of paper that with little pieces of tape at the end, at the top here. So you can write your note, take one of these sheets off and stick it somewhere. And then it'll stay on there. And that's it. It's just Post-its, You left yourself a note. Basically one of the most easy ideas that have made $1 million for somebody. I really wish I had thought of that. Yeah, very simple idea, but very useful. Very, very useful. My preference is the blue and the green. That's why I have blue and green. And it works very well. Who can get by without using some sort of Post-it reminder or something, to organize their day? I think people should use them that don't use them, and I know I do. I like them a lot. I know that there are different brands of products that actually do the same thing that Post-its does. But what you have to be wary of, I stick with Post-its, the actual Post-its. But the other brands that I'm wary of are the ones that you have to watch out for the glue that's on the back of the Post-it. A lot of times, with this brand, when it sticks on there, it's stuck and, it'll stay there. A lot of times you'll get a cheaper brand or a brand that's just mediocre somehow, and you will stick whatever note you want to stick on wherever you want to stick it, and the glue will stick for just a little while and then dry and fall right off. I've had that happen before, and it's weird because it's something you just don't expect. You take it for granted that it's just going to stay, and a lot of times it just doesn't, and you got to watch out for that. So the Post-it brand is really, really reliable, and I've been using them for, oh gosh, I can't even count the years I've used Post-its. And I think when it first came out, I started using them, whenever that was. But yeah, it's a good invention. I really swear by using them. And the brand is a good brand of this kind of product. The glue on the back is sufficient. It sticks very well, and when it dries, it's stuck. You know, I mean, it's not going to be like you glued it on there. It's going to stick like tape sticks. It'll be on there and it's good. And that's all I need. And I'm true to them. It's really good. I recommend it to just about everybody. Okay, well, that is the Post-it notes. You guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.